I got something else to add. I got to
Oh.
say something. So there's people in chat right now dismissing this. They're being dismissive. They're like, yeah, that's good, but LMNOP Gaming saying it's clever, but it's not easy to do.
It's not.
And
It's true.
Toby Create says the problem is not everybody has the time to edit that content. So, you know, whatever. I'm not saying that you said it like that, but it's easy to dismiss people that are doing something way better than you as saying, I don't have the time for that, or that isn't easy. So I don't know. So let me share this with you. Yeah, you might be like, well, I can't edit all that content. Well, guess what? There are people in India, in the Philippines, and in countries that are not yours, probably, that have currency conversion that is favorable to you. So you can pay people to edit videos for you at 1/10 of the cost, at 1/5 of the cost that you would pay somebody in North America, Australia, UK, etc. Because your currency, especially if you have US dollars or pounds, your currency converts so well to their currency. So you can pay people $5 to make a whole bunch of thumbnails for you. You can pay people $10 to edit an entire video for you. $10. To you, that might not seem like a lot of money, but to them, that's like making $150. All right? So a lot of these channels like iFerg are paying people in countries where currency converts extremely favorably, and they have a team of editors working for them. They can get 4 or 5 editors to work on these channels for the price of one editor. That's how people are scaling up their businesses on YouTube, is they're going to the global workforce. They're finding talented people to make content for them and to manage their channels and to edit and to do thumbnails for them. And that's how they're reaching endgame. So if you're thinking, I don't have enough time for that, nobody said you did. But when you make, let's say you made $250 off of your channel this last month, how are you reinvesting that money back into your business? Did you buy yourself a new Logitech mouse? Did your new Logitech mouse grow your channel at all? No. If you had invested that $250 into somebody to make thumbnails for you, or somebody to edit some clips for you, or to edit some montages for you on a second channel, that would actually grow your business. If you have $500 that you made from all of this and you're like, you know what? I'm thinking about getting a new monitor. Why? Is that gonna make you money? Is that gonna grow your business? Think smart. Guys like iFerg think smart. They invest their money into what grows their YouTube empire, not into little accessories, little gear upgrades, and stuff like that. They are thinking, how do I build this freaking empire on YouTube? And if you can have an empire type of thinking, growing multiple buildings, building out horizontally, taking over all of the land with multiple channels, and hiring cheap editors and cheap thumbnail creators to grow that content wide, then you will reach endgame, my friends.